Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to revisit a awesome turning design that was created back in the early 90s on our ornamental mill turning machines. And that is this bamboo turning design. The discussion has come up once again with other businesses that want to produce this. So let's show you how fast and easy it is to make this simple design on Legacy's Turning Center using Legacy's Conversational CAM software. So we're going to scale up that bamboo design to about 42 inches in length, just under 2 inches in diameter. And we're going to do two different spindles just to show you some variety in creating a bamboo design. So we're going to mount this directly in our turning center. We're going to use our 4-jaw chuck. We'll just slide that in place. Push our tailstock forward. Now we can secure our 4-jaw chuck. And this is ready to be turned. The Delta controller makes this really easy to set up. We just go to our turning screen, and this already has the 0 location for the part preset for us right when you receive your machine. So we can simply load our program, and press go. The type of cutter we used for this entire bamboo spindle is called a bowl and tray cutter, and it's being used in two different ways. First, we use the bottom surface just like a surfacing cutter. We can quickly rough material and turn stock round. The second application is taking advantage of the radiused corners of the bowl and tray cutter. Now when it turns round between the beginning and end of each bamboo shoot, it leaves a detail for the radius profile. Well, that bowl and tray cutter did a beautiful job. Let's take this out. Now let's do that one more time. I have a second blank here. We're going to do this with a different program. This is going to use two separate cutters. The same bowl and tray cutter that we just saw, but also a radius cutter to go in between. It'll give us a more pronounced detail. The second spindle receives the same turning processes with the bowl and tray cutter. However, the beginning and end positions for the bamboo shoots are spread a little bit further to leave room for a second cutter. And there we have it. It turned out beautiful. We can see that from a few minor differences, adding one cutter, changing our cut depth, we can make some pretty outstanding designs that vary quite a bit.
Both spindles were programmed in Legacy's conversational CAM software. By simply inputting a few parameters for each cutting process, we can quickly toolpath the entire spindle and have it ready for the CNC machine.
I hope you enjoyed watching these cut as much as I did. If you're interested in learning more about what Legacy CNC systems can do for you by unlocking your woodworking, you can always visit our website at lwmcnc.com, and you can ask questions and talk to a CNC expert by calling 801-491-0010. If you want to watch more demonstration videos like these, just click right over there. And you know the drill about subscribing, liking, the bell notification, do your thing. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.